Hey, how's it going? So, due to popular demand, I'm going to be doing another light up sequence using the bowie knife and the magnesium stick. Yeah, let's see if I strike it again with just one try. So there's the fire stick. There's that little groove on the bowie knife. Got some dry patch of grass right there. That's all you need. And you got to make sure that you have a pyre, a nice pyre, before you start the fire itself. There you go. I'm guessing the grass isn't too dry right now, so let's try it one more time. Oh, almost there. You can almost see it. Okay. See, I'm using the blade now. Out of frustration. Oh, should have created a fire already. I'm guessing, yeah, I'm guessing the grass isn't too dry. So, we're gonna try